Hello friends, my name is Mehek. Today we will cut the vegetables and cook them. So here is our pot and that's a glass. Not we are gonna not cut with the glass. So let's start cutting and cooking. So here's my chopper board. Let's put it here. And here's a lot of accessories what I need. There's a knife and some plate, a fork, and a glass, a lot of things. So here's my knife from the accessory box. So here's my knife, here's my knife. I will cut your hand. I was just kidding. So let's start cooking. So here is my raw pumpkin that we will cut. The first is the raw pumpkin. So here's my chopper board. So let's get the chopper board and let's cut it. Wow! Beautiful! Oopsie! Whoa! Whoa! I felt them. It's okay, just mistake. So here's my pot. Let's put it here. One piece, just a little from. Okay, here's my flour. This is what we need for to cook the food. And let's get our 2 plates from the accessory box. Done. Now let's get the raw pumpkin out and put it in the green plate. Oops. And turn off the heat because I'm not gonna turn on the heat when it's nothing inside the pot. See? Now let's eat it. Delicious. Let's put the plate and my fork over here. Next we are gonna cut is the carrot. Carrot is yummy and yummy. Then it's healthy plus yummy, but it's a little hard to bite because it's a carrot. It's like the radish, but it's orange. Radish are pink or white. Sometimes it's pink, sometimes it's white. But the most time it's white because white is yummy. And now let's cook the carrot. Let's get the carrot out. Oops. Here's my carrot. Ooh. The red plate because orange and red make some sense with the red color. So let's have the orange carrots. Yummy! So here's my fork and my everything's here. So let's put my fork there. And next we are gonna cook is is the radish. Same like the carrot. So let's cut the radish first. Yeah. This piece and this one for another day. So let's put the radish here. And here's my pot to cook it. Smells delicious. A little more stir, then done. Done. Let's turn off the heat. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my fork and get it out to eat it. Delicious. Yummy. Now let's put fork there. And then next, it will be our final ingredient, red chili pepper. Oh, before I cook it, I'm gonna just taste it. Hot. It's so hot. It's so hot. Water. Now it's better. Now let's cut the red chili pepper. I'm not gonna eat it. So it's really hot. So I'm just gonna cook it but not eat it because I am already spiced. Now I'm really feeling bad because of the hot. Let's put one piece there and the first piece will be cooked. Here I go, cookie, yummy, chili, red chili. La 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 la. Done. Turn off the heat and eat it. Here's my plate. Yummy, done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon. Oh, I'm really full.